Hello students, Namaste. You are going to learn about my day. Let us listen and see. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I have a breakfast. I wear my school uniform. I pack my school bag. I go to school. I play with my friends. I do my homework. I go to bed. Good night. Thank you.